Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi. Now today we're going to take a look at the Scout Trooper and Speeder Pike model kit made by Bandai. Last year I reviewed the Stormtrooper kit that Bandai made, and that really is an excellent kit. I'll just bring that in here and you can see it's a really nice kit version of Stormtrooper, fully poseable with lots of bits of additional weaponry and the fact that you can fully pose him. So this time I bought myself the Scout Trooper and Speeder Bike version. As you can see here, this is quite an expensive box. I picked this up in Japan, cost me just under 4,000 yen, which is about sort of 25 to 30 pounds. So it's quite a expensive kit, but you get inside it, you get the bike and you get the Biker Scout. On the side of the box you can see there's quite a lot of details and pictures of the Scout Trooper and bike. It does look pretty cool. All the information is in Japanese, so I can't actually read that, but the important bits of information are on this side. It's a 1/12 scale Scout Trooper and Speed Bike. So let's open this box and we'll see what's inside it. Inside the box you get an awful lot of bits, as you'd expect. There are bags and bags of bits of plastic and quite an in-depth instruction guide here. So as you can see, we've got the instructions on how to build the Scout Trooper, which takes up quite a few pages, and then the second section is on how to build the Speeder Bike. So I think in this video I'm going to do the first part of the build, and let's build the Biker Scouts, because these model kits do take quite a long time to build, and I think that'll be enough for one video. So we'll get the Biker Scout built, and then you'll have to join me in part 2 where we will build the bike as well and we can put everything together. I've narrowed the bits down to the sort of core elements I need for the Biker Scout himself. I have my basic tool set here. This is a Tamiya tool set, which has the important tools in it that I need. The main one I'm going to need is a pair of nippers. These are plastic nippers, so that I can cut all the bits off the sprues here. So let's get started and we'll make the Biker Scout. And there we have the basic Biker Scout made. It comes with a few extra little hands. At the moment I've just put on the sort of basic sort of neutral pose hands. There are obviously ones for holding onto the speeder bike handles, and there's another one that holds the gun. As you can see here, I put the gun in place. If you don't put this one together, you can just prise it apart, and the gun comes out, and that will fit in the little holster on his leg there. So the last thing really to do is to put the decals on, the decals that come with it. It comes with either self-adhesive ones like this or water slide ones. So I'm actually going to use these self-adhesive ones because they're sort of quicker and easier to do. So I'll get those on and then we can review the figure. And here we have the finished kit of the Biker Scout. It's fairly fiddly to do, putting those last few stickers on. They're probably the hardest bits to do of the whole sort of figure kit. The rest of it's fairly straightforward. As you saw, it took me about an hour to put the kit together. A few little mistakes along the way, just getting things round the wrong way, but that's pretty normal on these kits. Everything does tend to look a little bit samey after a while, but the end result is a really nice kit. It's very poseable. The fact that you can rotate and bend his legs in multiple directions is really quite impressive, and same with the arms. Everything is sort of pretty poseable, so I reckon by the time I get the bike built, he'll be able to sit on that really nicely, and you'll be able to pose him actually so he actually looks like he's riding the bike rather than just sort of stuck on. As you can see, you can pose him pretty well, get his legs into some nice position, so I think that should look pretty good. The kit is very nice. The detailing and sculpt is amazing, really, considering that this is a model kit, not an action figure or anything like that. Really lots of work has gone into that. Even though the instructions are in Japanese, you can actually work out what to do pretty easily. They're fairly self-explanatory instructions, which makes it quite a nice model kit to do. And as you see, it comes with a little stand as well. There are going to be more stands in it for the bike, but I just put the figure stand together just so that I can get him standing like this. And if we bring in the Stormtrooper I built last time, you can see nice figures, same scale, really nice finish. They actually look pretty good on display together like this. So please join me in part 2 where I will build the bike and we can see the whole set together, and hopefully it should look amazing like the figure already does. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter and Facebook.